ThriveCart integrations and third-party tools, leveraging integrations with other platforms to build powerful funnels. Building supercharged funnels, ThriveCart's integration powerhouse. Imagine your ideal sales funnel, not just efficient, but a powerhouse fueled by the best tools in the game. ThriveCart doesn't just offer its own amazing features, it unlocks a universe of possibilities through seamless integrations with countless third-party platforms. Here's how ThriveCart integrations can supercharge your funnels. 1. CRM and email marketing. Connect with powerful platforms like ActiveCampaign, Aweber, ConvertKit, and MailChimp. Automate targeted email sequences based on customer actions, segment your audience for personalized campaigns, and track engagement metrics for data-driven optimization. Leverage CRM integrations like Salesforce and Infusionsoft to manage customer data, trigger actions based on purchase history, and create a seamless sales and marketing workflow. 2. Payment gateways and fraud prevention. Integrate with industry leaders like Stripe, PayPal, and Braintree to accept payments securely and globally. Offer a variety of payment options for customer convenience and reduce cart abandonment. Utilize fraud prevention tools like Riskified and ClearSale to protect your business from chargebacks and fraudulent transactions. Ensure a smooth and secure checkout experience for all your customers. 3. Webinars and membership platforms. Connect with webinar platforms like Zoom and GoToWebinar to integrate registration forms, automate follow-up sequences, and track webinar engagement. Turn webinar attendees into paying customers seamlessly. Integrate with membership platforms like Kajabi and Teachable to manage access to gated content, deliver digital products, and track member activity. Create a unified experience for your membership subscribers. 4. Analytics and optimization. Connect with Google Analytics and Kissmetrics to gain deeper insights into customer behavior, track funnel performance, and identify areas for improvement. Make data-driven decisions to optimize your funnels for maximum conversions. Utilize A/B testing tools like Optimizely and Visual Website Optimizer to test different landing pages, headlines, and call to actions. Identify the winning elements and ensure your funnels are constantly evolving for peak performance. 5. Additional power-ups. Connect with design tools like Canva and Figma to create stunning landing pages and graphics for your funnels. Integrate with Zapier to unlock a vast library of additional integrations and build automated workflows between ThriveCart and countless other tools. Utilize lead capture tools like Opt-in Monster and Pop-up Ally to capture visitors' information at key moments in your funnel and convert them into leads. Remember, your ideal funnel is a unique creation. ThriveCart's integration flexibility empowers you to mix and match the best tools for your specific needs and build funnels that are not just efficient, but tailored to convert like magic. Here are some additional benefits of using ThriveCart integrations. Save time and resources, automate tasks and eliminate manual data entry between platforms. Create seamless customer experiences, ensure a smooth flow from initial touchpoint to purchase and beyond. Stay ahead of the curve, access the latest tools and technologies to constantly improve your funnels. Unlock the full potential of your sales funnels with ThriveCart's integration magic and watch your business soar. Don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions about specific integrations or building the perfect funnel for your needs.